How long should your organization keep information? Let's unpack the basics of a data retention policy. A data retention policy is a set of rules an organization follows to determine how long they should keep and how to dispose of different types of data. It helps you manage data responsibly, meet legal requirements, and support your business operations. This refers to how long different types of data must be retained. The exact time frame can vary depending on your government and industry regulations, the nature of the data, and your organization's internal policies. For example, healthcare institutions are required to keep patient information for at least 6 years, while public companies must maintain financial records for at least 7 years. Any data that an organization collects, stores, or processes can be subject to retention guidelines, including printed documents, email, text messages, audio calls, financial records, government records, legal documents, employee records, healthcare records, educational records, customer data, research data, sales and marketing data, and audit and compliance data. You need a policy for several key reasons. First, it ensures compliance with legal and regulatory obligations, such as when organizations must retain specific records for audits or investigations mandated by laws like GDPR, HIPAA, or FINRA. A solid data retention policy also supports data security. When you automatically delete outdated or unnecessary data, you also reduce the risk of unauthorized access, sharing, and misuse. Data archiving supports your retention policy by securely storing inactive data, freeing up primary storage, ensuring easy access when needed, and speeding up the e-discovery process. It simplifies compliance by automatically retaining data for required periods, protects it against data loss, enhances system performance, and reduces risks of unauthorized access to sensitive information. To learn more about compliant data retention and archiving, like this video and subscribe to our channel.